Don't say, do breakfast. Say, have breakfast. Have breakfast means to eat the first meal of the day in the morning. Don't say, make a favor. Say, do a favor. Do a favor means to help someone by doing something nice or helpful for them. Don't say, do a decision. Say, make a decision. Make a decision means to choose one option after thinking about different possibilities. Don't say, do a choice. Say, make a choice. Make a choice means to select one option from several possibilities. Don't say, do a plan. Say, make a plan. Make a plan means to create or prepare a detailed plan for something you want to do. Don't say, do a suggestion. Say, make a suggestion. Make a suggestion means to offer an idea or recommendation to help someone. Don't say, do a comment. Say, make a comment. Make a comment means to say something about a topic, usually giving your opinion. Don't say, do a promise. Say, make a promise. Make a promise means to give your word that you will definitely do something. Don't say, do a difference. Say, make a difference. Make a difference means to have a positive effect or change something for the better. Don't say, do an offer. Say, make an offer. Make an offer means to propose something helpful to someone, like help or a deal. Don't say, do an appointment. Say, make an appointment. Make an appointment means to arrange a scheduled meeting or visit with someone. Don't say, do a cake. Say, make a cake. Make a cake means to prepare or bake a cake from ingredients. Don't say, do a speech. Say, give a speech. Give a speech means to deliver a formal talk in front of an audience. Don't say, do a phone call. Say, make a phone call. Make a phone call means to telephone someone or initiate a call. Don't say, do a noise. Say, make a noise. Make a noise means to create sound, usually unintentionally or loudly. Don't say, do an experiment. Say, conduct an experiment. Conduct an experiment means to perform a scientific test or procedure to discover or prove something. Don't say, do a research. Say, conduct a research. Conduct a research means to carry out or perform a detailed study and investigation on a topic. Don't say, do the bed. Say, make the bed. Make the bed means to arrange the sheets, blankets, and pillows neatly after sleeping. Don't say, do a shower. Say, take a shower. Take a shower means to wash your body under running water in the shower. Don't say, do a test. Say, take a test. Take a test means to complete an examination or quiz to check your knowledge. Don't say, do a course. Say, take a course. Take a course means to enroll in and attend classes to learn a subject. Don't say, make the dishes. Say, do the dishes. Do the dishes means to wash the dirty plates, cups, and utensils after eating. Don't say, do a walk. Say, take a walk. Take a walk means to go for a short, leisurely walk outdoors. Don't say, make the laundry. Say, do the laundry. Do the laundry means to wash, dry, and fold dirty clothes. Don't say, do a party. Say, have a party. Have a party means to organize and host a celebration or social gathering. Don't say, make the shopping. Say, do the shopping. Do the shopping means to buy groceries or other necessary items from a store.